Well, ET now had a word with value investor Vijay Kedia to find out his outlook on the equity markets, the kind of euphoria as well as run-up that we've seen, as well as where he'll be parking his money and advice to investors. Well, he says that he continues to remain fully invested in the markets, and he believes that there is definitely a euphoria in the markets, but he says that it's been confined to only a select number of stocks. So when investing in the markets, investors, according to Vijay Kedia, need to be careful and cheerful, he says, while investing in the markets. He believes that, you need to be able to balance your risk because the markets have run up quite exponentially. So it's important to know the pockets to invest in. So while he says that he believes that a bull run can last for a long time before it peters out, Vijay Kedia does very much acknowledge that it is very difficult to assess how 2021 is actually going to pan out. So in all weather stocks is where he used to where he stays fully invested in, is what he says. And he believes that investors who are now coming into the markets, it's important that they need to be fearful, but they need to be investing in all weather stocks. So several mid-cap stocks he believes are available at very attractive valuations, and those can clearly be looked at. And the market is anticipating an earnings recovery, but yet again that continues to remain very selective. So in terms of what he's seen as the flavor of the market, especially with companies pivoting with respect to COVID and the pandemic, he believes product-based tech companies, they are definitely the flavor of the market currently. And their company too has shifted the portfolio in the last 6 to 8 months to product platform companies. So he believes that there is a lot of there is definitely a lot of potential in that basket, and he's saying that he continues to remain bullish on those product-based technology stocks, and that digitization going forward is definitely going to aid the product-based technology firms. He gave an instance of that, Tejas Networks, he said. Consistent R&D spends in the company, and that has been a huge positive, so that is something to watch out for. Going forward, what's going to be his strategy? He says we are going to continue to buy small cap stocks, which many people don't know about. We will be looking at buying these small cap stocks that have very strong revenue visibility. As of now, they've not made any new major investments, but he says one needs to be very careful in the near term, but at the same time be fully invested in equity. That's his view. He did say that as of now they're looking at the extra market potential of firms, and there was that feeling that the world was coming to an end in the month of March, but then you saw an exponential recovery kicking in, and he believes that this kind of euphoria could last for some time before there is a major crash. So he will remain invested in the current portfolio, but advises investors to be fearful, careful, and very selective.